Chris. I'm Dr. Kramer. I need to ask you a few questions. But first, I want to let you know you're in a safe place and there's no one here who can hurt you. Are you okay, Chris? Have you ever taken any kind of medication?
No.
Have you ever had any problems at home with your parents?
No, not really.
Chris, start from the beginning and tell me every detail that you remember that night.
I was in my room, and I thought that it was going to be like every other Friday night.
Hey Beth, what's up? No, my mom doesn't let me go to parties anymore. She says I need to get my priorities straight. It's whatever. I'll see you at school. Okay, bye.
Hello? Hate rain.
What's your emergency?
There's a person in my house.
Are you hurt?
No, they haven't touched me yet. Just please.
Okay, ma'am, please stay calm.
Please,
We're sending a police
care.
into your house right now. What's your address?
Please. No, it's Center for.
Hello? Hello? Ma'am, hello?
Help me! Help me, please! What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Leave me alone.
Let me alone!
Then what happened?
I can't remember. I blacked out.
You know what you did, right?
What do you mean?
You killed your sister.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Chris, listen to me.
No! No!